Now they're gonna rev both cars. Nice truck right there. Alright guys, so we're here at Spike's Performance about my car. Here we can see a single cab. There's 4-star. Nice. And welds. So check it out. Alright, so what do we got here?
We'll get your tires in stock.
Alright, dude. That's what I've been anxiously waiting the whole time I've been at work. So
Got these bad boys here for you.
all right,
AT Street R's.
cool.
I'm not gonna have no more traction problems.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Because I mean, the car did spin a lot.
Yeah.
So I'll finally be able to get some 0 to 60 times also. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. All right, guys. So you guys saw the purchase. Finally, we got the ET Street R's. Been wanting them for a while. And thanks to Ryan at Spike's.
Yes, sir.
Spike's here in San Benito. Just go ahead and check them out, guys. They have everything in stock. You name it, they can get it for you guys. So pretty simple transaction. That's pretty much it.
In and out.
In and out. So anyways, that'll be all for today. And thank you for stopping by, guys. Leave a thumbs up, share, subscribe, guys. Thank you all.
One, I'm not the one I underestimate. I want the throne, I loan the crush, obstruction, rush the barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe, Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.